Hi all, welcome to Om Shri Tara. I'm here with a cute little Valentine's Day Divine Love Kit box. On top of it, you'll have a Reiki symbol that is special for love and marriage. There's a two circle inside a rectangle box where in the intersection you'll have a switch word together divine love. And on either side, you can either paste the picture of your partner and yourself, or you can write their name in a permanent marker. And surrounding it, we have four angels. They're all for love. And you have Venus, Aphrodite, Freya, and Chamuel, giving more energy, love to your marriage and relationships. You have a Venus symbol here, which is a union of male and female or your partner. And then you have a manifestation code 1176, which is going to bring your true love towards you. So when you open this box, you'll find this cute rose quartz bracelets. As you all know, rose quartz is known for love, and it'll attract true love towards you. You can either wear it in your hand whenever you feel, or when you go out. And you have this keychain. You can either put your car keys or your bike keys in this. You have rhodonite and rose quartz mixed in here. Both are called as stone of love, and this little keychain will always remind your partner of you. So gift this, they can put their important keys, house keys or vehicle keys in it, so that you're always constantly in their mind. And you have this sweet little love potion bottle, scrolls, and then they used to bury it in frozen water, and you'll find it after few hundred years. So if you want your love to last for centuries and years together, this is a perfect way to have your love long last. So all you have to do is just open this cork, small little paper. You can write your love, your name and your partner's name, and then just stick it inside this bottle. This bottle contains little rose quartz chips, which will keep energizing your lover and togetherness forever. And along with this, you have this tree, and we all know tree stands up for hundreds and hundreds of years, and your love will live for hundreds and hundreds of years. So you can either keep it on your desktop or on your workstation or in your bedroom to ensure your love grows and lasts long as this tree lasts. And then you have a little angel Freya. All you have to do is just spray on your favorite perfume, and then send this angel as a messenger to convey your true love to you. And whenever you miss your partner, just keep this angel to your heart and just pray to her, or tell her to take your love to your partner, and tell her how much you miss your partner. Along with this, who doesn't want money and love in their life? And this is a perfect Zebu coin, where you have Grabovoi money codes 808520 and 741, which will bring continuous flow of money. All you have to do is just keep this coin in your wallet or your purse, or in a box where you keep your money and jewelry. Along with this, you have this cute little heart pendant. Whenever you wear this heart pendant, it'll help your heart chakra to heal. Say, for example, if you were already in an abusive relationship, if your relationship in the past has caused you so much trauma, it can clear all the scars, and then the traumatic condition that you went through, and then help you find a true love. It heals the scarred heart. So wear this heart chakra pendant whenever you feel you are lost in your, or you're very scared to go in for a second relationship. This is a perfect gift for them. And to charge all these crystal products, you have a selenite plate. All you have to do is just place these selenite, the rose quartz things on top of it, whenever, every day, or whenever you feel this needs to be charged. This tree can be kept here, or when you take your keychain, just place this keychain on top of the selenite plate and keep your crystals charged. If you're interested in this product, please call the below given number and place your order.